Here's a 2016 Mercedes-Benz G-Class. The G-Class was built from the ground up to handle your wildest off-road fantasy. Shut the door and tell your 5 passengers to buckle up because things are about to get bumpy. Feel the stress of the week melt away with suspension that was engineered to handle it all for you as the bi-turbo V8 engine and 4MATIC all-wheel drive effortlessly climb an 80% grade, taking you places most people can't reach. And while its performance off the grid can't be matched, the G-Class can handle life as a city slicker too, with blind spot assist, Parktronic, and Distronic Plus to keep you at a safe distance from the traffic ahead. Sink into the heated and ventilated Nappa leather multi-contour front seats and stay connected and entertained through the command system with a central controller. You can try, but you'll tire out long before this G-Class. Stop in, sit behind the wheel, and dream up a new adventure today.
At Mercedes-Benz of Coral Gables, we look forward to your visit and deliver excellence at every mile.